How's it, Gavin here from the old Paracow store. Today we're doing an update video on our 52 Chev. Road to the beach hop. And put a patch in here. We nearly finished the spare tyre well. We're pretty much done this side. Rebuilt this corner. Cut out ready for this wheel tub. And we put a new bottom on this. Cut it out of here. We're gonna clean up all under here. Cut this out. We have cut out and painted in behind on our inner guard. So we've got to make our tub for in here and then tidy up all this stuff. So we put our patch on here, template, because we're going to redo this bottom piece. So we'll mark that on our piece of steel, and then we can replace all this rusty bottom to this guard. All up here is good, solid. It's just starting to get holes in the bottom little piece, and the edges are all raggedy. So we'll fix that up. Right, we've been running this through the tipping wheel, and we're getting pretty close to where it should be. A little bit at the end, but we're running into the same problem up here. We haven't got a shrinker, so it's hard to shrink the steel, but we're just going to make do with what we have got. Hammer, dolly. Right, so we've got that all ready to zip cut. We're going to have to do a bit of skullduggery around the back here with the old grinder. I'm sure we can get that later. So we'll zip cut that in. So we burnt that in, ground it up a bit. So that's made our inside look a lot better. We've got to put our shield on here, stone guard. But we'll clean all that up, chuck a bit of paint on it. So put a bit of paint on there. And we're going to airbrush it up to hopefully make it look like it's still old and rusty. We'll see how we go on that one. We're still going to attack our sill on the other side. We've got our front end in. But we've got new to us springs, new to us shocks, which still had the tags on them. I'm going to build a sway bar, I think, with more strength than the original ones. We're not sure how low it's going to sit. We're hoping maybe 4 inches lower. It was like a gas that was so high in the front. Sits good at the back. We've put all new bushes in the back. So we're just trying to get to front floor pans and finish up all the little bits of rust, but you know, there's little bits. This is all got to be done. There's a little hole here. We've got to do this whole floor pan in the two fronts. I'm thinking of getting a new booster for it with twin pots, so we'll have to change how this floor pan goes. We're going to run all new fuel and brake lines, rewire the whole thing. So she's slowly getting there. I'm hoping in a couple of weeks, or at least by the end of next month, we'll have it rolling again with the brakes working. We've got jam night this Sunday. Dirt drags on the 13th. I'll be doing bits to the Buick too, so we're going to have an update video on that Buick very soon, and we're going to we got some fancy rust sealer that we're going to put on the tin when we've got it as good as we can get it. So we're hoping it won't come back through, and I'm just finishing off the boot so I can mount the petrol tank mounts, and we'll stick all that back in, but that's for another video. Made a template of this rusty bit, and we're going to add 60mm to it out to here in a straight line, and cut a patch out for that. Cut this rusty bit out. So we've put the new sill on, we've made this piece up, we're going to cut this off, replace along here, and we're going to replace the bottom of this piece, and then so we're just going to put a bit of paint in there, I think, and then we'll rust kill it later as well. So we welded that in, we'll give it a bit of a grind up, patch in here, patch along here. We're going to fill this little hole. Need one in here, one behind here. Just keeps going on. So it's only really rusty down the bottom, but then a few pinholes, and it's pretty thin all around here. So I don't know, we might make that whole patch. That's a bit. I think up to there, up to there. So we welded our patch in here. We've put a bit of paint on our new steel that we patched in from the other side. Now we're going to chuck this piece in here. I'll rubber. Weld that in. So we've put that panel in here now. We're just going to cut this piece out, replace this, and that's that side pretty much done.